Hi friends, today I'll tell you how comments are given in Python. If you have seen a Python code, you must have seen that these kind of characters are used. So this is comment line, and say I am going to write a small program to add two variables and add two values. So add two values. So this is my full comment line because it starts with this hash character. Now this say I declare a is equal to 1, and I can add comment here also as inline comment, which is value 1. This is inline comment, and I can also add another line as say value 2. This is another inline comment, and I can print a plus b. So this is say another inline comment, which is result. So let me run this. These are two types of comment here. One is a full line comments and one are inline comments, which are, you can see that this inline comments can be given in at the end of the line. So this value has come, the result value has come. So basically comments always are given to document a code, what kind of things it is doing. Now I can also have multiple lines of comment. For example, I write it here as a simple addition program. So this is the common way in Python to have multiple lines of comments. There is another technique of multiple lines. Say I can give this 3 lines, and these are comment lines. Line 1, line 2, and again these 3. So this portion of is actually a multi-line unassigned string, which if it is not assigned to any variable name, it is used as documentation of code or multiple line comments. Although good Python programmers prefer this hash character only, they rarely use this kind of thing, but this also works. So now you have 3 types of commenting. One is full line commenting, that means line start with hash, it is ignored by the Python interpreter, and line with a code, but end portion has a hash mark and then some comment string. And third type is you can have 3 this apostrophes and 3 single quote characters or apostrophes, and then multiple lines in between this 3 and 3 set. You can also have double quotes. See, this way you can have double quotes and double quotes here. So this will also be comment lines. You can consider this as comment lines. So this is the concept of comment, and you can always run it again. This will work. And let me show you through AI that what are Python comments. Python comments are lines of code that are ignored by the Python interpreter during program execution. They are used to add explanations, notes, or documentation within your code, making it more readable and understandable for both yourself and others. In Python, comments start with a hash symbol. Anything following the hash on that line is considered a comment. So is there a way to give multi-line comments? Let us see what it results. It's working. Let us see it will result something like this, what I have told you. Yes, there is a way. So single or double quotes, a set of 3 for multi-line comments. They are technically multi-line string literals, but if they are not assigned to a variable, they function as comments because interpreter ignores them, right? So a block would be like this I showed you. Okay, so now you know all types of comments. You can use comments sparingly, or you can put lot of comments. It's your wish. But good programmers always give comments which are not repetitive. That means I will not say this is A is equal to 1. That is not a good comment. I will not say this line is printing result or this line is printing A plus B, that is obvious. So I would only use comments which are relevant to whatever documentation I want to do. Thank you.